In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your files by moving them within Google Drive. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to neatly categorize and rearrange your files and folders, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Drive's main interface, which displays all of your files and folders. Now take a moment to look through your drive and decide which file or folder you'd like to move. It could be anything that's currently cluttering your space or could benefit from being in a more accessible location. Once you've identified the file or folder you wish to relocate, go ahead and right-click on it. A context menu will appear, offering a variety of options. You'll see choices like Open, Share, Get Link, and amongst them, an option labeled Organize. By selecting Organize, you're initiating the process of moving your file or folder. Now that you've clicked Organize, you need to select the option that says Move. This action will allow you to specify a new location within your drive. At this stage, a pop-up window will appear on your screen displaying the existing structure of your Google Drive. This feature is particularly helpful as it gives you a clear visual representation of where everything is currently situated. In the pop-up window, browse through your folders until you find the destination folder where you want to move your file or folder. If you've created folders like Work, Personal, or specific project folders, you'll see them listed here. Take your time to navigate through this structure and find the most suitable location. Once you've decided on the destination, click on it to highlight your choice. You'll notice a Move or Move Here button on the window. Clicking this button finalizes the process and secures your file or folder in its new location. And just like that, you've successfully moved your content within Google Drive. Remember, staying organized is key to maintaining efficiency. By regularly updating and categorizing your files and folders, you'll not only save time, but also reduce stress in locating important documents later. This process can be repeated as often as needed to ensure that your Google Drive remains a well-ordered space that suits your needs. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope this guide helps you to master file management on Google Drive.